Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Power cycle the modem and router now, because many faults clear instantly. While waiting, confirm your ISP isn't reporting an outage on your phone. Once devices are back up, plug a laptop directly into the modem with Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi from WAN. If wired internet works, you know the ISP and modem are fine, and the issue sits in the router, wireless settings, or your device. Make sure to note which LEDs change. Now you dive into configuration. On your computer, release and renew the IP so you get a fresh lease from DHCP, and check whether a static IP is blocking internet access. Next, change DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to see if domain resolution was the blocker. Make sure router firmware and your device Wi-Fi drivers are current, and examine DHCP and MAC filter settings. These often silently deny client internet access, even when connected to Wi-Fi. For final remediation, back up router settings and perform a factory reset if the misconfiguration persists. Reconfigure using WPA2 or WPA3, a clear SSID and DHCP enabled. After reconfigure, test devices again and compare behavior to a phone hotspot. If the hotspot provides internet, the issue is with router or ISP path. If nothing changes, record modem/router LED patterns and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.